Hey modern workers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we are here to help you master the art of balancing life and work while staying super efficient. Our motto, work smart, live fully. Have you ever wondered how to leverage LinkedIn to elevate your career? Whether you're looking for new job opportunities, aiming to expand your professional network, or wanting to establish yourself as an industry thought leader, LinkedIn is a powerful tool. In this video, I'll share unique and actionable tips that go beyond the basics to help you make the most out of LinkedIn. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the foundation of your LinkedIn presence, your profile. It's not just an online resume, it's your professional brand. Here's how to make it stand out. Craft a magnetic headline. Your headline is one of the first things people see, so make it count. Instead of just listing your job title, use this space to highlight your unique value proposition. For example, marketing strategist. Helping brands grow through data-driven campaigns is far more engaging than just marketing strategist. Optimize your summary with a story. Your summary should go beyond a list of skills and experiences. Use it to tell a compelling story about your career journey, your passions, and what drives you. Make it personal and engaging. This is your chance to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Showcase your achievements with multimedia. LinkedIn allows you to add multimedia elements to your profile. Use this feature to showcase your achievements. Upload presentations, project reports, videos, or even links to articles you've written. This not only makes your profile more dynamic, but also provides tangible proof of your skills and accomplishments. Leverage LinkedIn recommendations. Recommendations are powerful testimonials that can significantly boost your credibility. Don't be shy about asking colleagues, clients, or supervisors for recommendations. Be specific about what you'd like them to highlight. And of course, reciprocate by writing thoughtful recommendations for others. Engage with content strategically. Being active on LinkedIn goes beyond liking posts. Share insights, comment thoughtfully on industry news, and create your own content. Use LinkedIn's publishing platform to write articles on topics you're passionate about. This positions you as a thought leader in your field. Join and participate in LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups are a goldmine for networking and learning. Join groups related to your industry or interests and actively participate in discussions. Share your expertise, ask questions, and connect with other members. This can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Use LinkedIn's advanced search. LinkedIn's advanced search feature is a powerful tool for finding potential connections, job opportunities, and industry insights. Use filters to narrow down your search based on location, industry, company size, and more. This makes your networking efforts more targeted and effective. Personalize connection requests. When sending connection requests, always personalize your message. Mention how you found their profile, why you'd like to connect, and something specific that caught your interest. This increases the likelihood of your request being accepted and sets the stage for meaningful interactions. Leverage LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning offers a plethora of courses on various topics. Use this resource to upskill and stay current with industry trends. Completing courses also adds certifications to your profile, showcasing your commitment to continuous learning. Monitor your LinkedIn analytics. Finally, keep an eye on your LinkedIn analytics. This feature provides insights into who's viewing your profile, the reach of your posts, and more. Use this data to refine your LinkedIn strategy and understand what resonates with your audience. By implementing these 10 unique strategies, you'll be well on your way to leveraging LinkedIn to boost your career. Remember, LinkedIn is a dynamic platform that can help you build your professional brand, expand your network, and discover new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and share it with your working friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks from the modern workers. We've also provided links to some of the tools we mentioned in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.